Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. So I'm using UrlLauncher to launch a web browser link into my application. But after using it, I'm facing this issue like it says that the component name for URL is null. So how I solve this issue? So I just read the documentation. So right now we need to add a query in our Android manifest. You just need to go to the Android manifest and add this query. I will provide you this query in the description of this video. You can get it, where we are just allowing the custom tab services. Previously we are using this like the permission of internet, but right now in the latest update we need to use this query. So I just add it, and if I just save it, and if I just, you must need to kill your application, sometimes it's not get the changes. So I'm just uninstall the application and just run it again. It will take some time, but after the run you will see that our issue will be solved. So this issue is happening most of the time in UrlLauncher. So in this way you can solve. In the same way, if you're using any other permissions like the calls or the like telephone, you also need a query. So if I click now here, you can see I have successfully launched my URL. So in this way you can solve this issue. I hope this video helped you. So if you are facing any other issues related to Flutter or Android native or Swift, so you can mention in the comment section. I will try to sort out and make a video for you. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Bye bye.